Hi, my name is Kathleen Crudden. I'm the Scientific Director of the Carbon to Metal Coating Institute and a professor at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Each year, the world spends $2.5 trillion combating metal deterioration. In Canada alone, the cost is a staggering $66 billion, 3.4% of our GDP. But here's the opportunity. 25% of these costs could be saved with better protection strategies. Green energy infrastructure faces even steeper challenges. Offshore wind farms, for example, cost up to 100 times more to fix than onshore systems when metal coatings fail. That's where our research comes in. We're pioneering enhanced anti-corrosion coatings for transportation and green energy infrastructure, cutting costs and accelerating Canada's transition to a low-carbon future. As technology advances, semiconductor interconnects are shrinking, demanding new innovations in manufacturing processes and metal protection. To construct modern 3D devices, layers of metal interconnects and insulating materials are stacked and interspersed. But here's the challenge. Traditional masking and polishing steps become increasingly problematic as devices feature metal structures just nanometers wide. That's where our research comes in. We're developing protective materials that aid in the construction of metal interconnects with molecular level precision. Precise manufacturing, innovative approaches. The future of microelectronics is at the atomic scale. What if we could make radiation therapy more effective with fewer side effects? Nanomedicine has the power to do just that. Radiation therapy is used in over 50% of cancer treatments, but high doses can damage healthy tissues. The key to better treatment? Precision. Gold nanoparticles have been designed that target cancer cells directly, with the idea to make radiation therapy more precise and more powerful, destroying cancer cells while leaving healthy tissue intact. This works because gold can react with X-rays, converting them eventually into reactive oxygen species that destroy cells exactly where we want, at the tumor. But there's a problem. Traditional coatings on nanoparticles degrade in the body, losing any ability to target cancer. That's where our breakthrough comes in. At C2MCI, we've developed oxidation-resistant, carbon-based coatings that keep gold nanomaterials stable, ensuring they reach the tumor intact and preventing harmful metal buildup in the liver and kidneys. Smarter coatings, stronger infrastructure, innovative protection, and precise manufacturing. Safer, more effective treatments. From bridges to microchips to cancer therapies, we're building a more resilient, more sustainable future, atom by atom. C2MCI is working towards a better tomorrow for all Canadians. Please reach out if you're interested in joining us on this incredible journey.